Lexi. I'm a YouTuber from Los Angeles, and I'm really excited for today because I've had some really bad hair experiences in the past, so I definitely want extensions for length and fullness. I had someone kind of break off a ton of my hair, so I'm really excited. I don't really have any inspo just because I trust Chrissy and whatever she wants to do with my hair, but yes, I'm very excited to see the after product.
Okay guys, today is the day. Today's the day that we open the LA salon and I get to do Lexi's hair. I'm so excited. She's been having a lot of hard time like finding someone good to do her blonde. She just wants to be like natural and bright, and every time she goes, they make it some weird color. Like they either do it like too dark, or a lot of times lately they've been bumping her base, and her natural color is so light. It's literally like a level 8 or 9. And every time she goes, they like bump her base. I don't know if it's because her hair is so fine, and so they don't want to take time and baby light. They just want to do the roots so fast. So I am gonna try to incorporate a lot of her natural color back in, because I want her to not have such bad roots growing in, and I don't want it to turn so brassy. Every time she goes home, washes it for a couple weeks, she said it turns so brassy and gold. So I'm gonna try to get rid of that. So first we're gonna put her extensions in, and then we're gonna show you how to color the rest. As you can see, when I showed you the before video, they bumped her base. So what we're gonna do first is we're gonna put her extensions in. And we always kind of let her decide which color she wants, and kind of do a couple different colors so she can see what's best. And then after that, we'll sew in the hair. And then we are going to start coloring. First, we always make sure that we root the extensions, and I want to make it really soft. I don't want to do a really, really harsh root line on her extensions. I want everything to be really blended. So I'll do that first. Then all of us will go back in and baby light with 20 volume Oxycure. And then we're going to go back and go back on her natural color and try to get rid of that really brassy band. We're gonna use 8N 9P, and then we're gonna go back through and we're going to do 7N 7GB, and we're gonna baby light about between every other, and then every third we're gonna bring it all the way to the ends, because we are adding a lot of depth in her extension ends as well. So I wanna make sure that I add some back in her hair too. So after that, we're gonna wash it all twice, and I want it to be still really bright, but I want to smudge her root a little bit, so every time she washes it, it fades out really natural. So we're gonna do 8N 9P, and then her mid, we're going to keep it bright. We're gonna do 9GB 10BG, because I wanna warm it up a little, and then we're gonna do her ends with 10BS. Okay guys, this is the finished look, and as you can see, like adding her natural color and her natural base, it's so crazy. Like it almost makes it look blonder. Like it makes it look brighter, and it makes her skin tone look so much better. A lot of times people come in and like right away when they sit in my chair, I'm like, oh, like I try to look at their skin tone and everything about it to see what is the best hair color for everything. Like their face, their skin color. Like you try to take all that in effect, because you want it to look super good with everything. And I feel like it brings out her eyes when she has a deeper root, but it's still, and almost makes her, the contrast makes her blondes look brighter. Don't you think?
I agree.
How do you feel?
I feel like a new woman. I feel amazing. Like
you love it?
I am obsessed with it.
Like would you come here again?
Oh, I'm never going anywhere else, ever again.
Good answer, good answer. Okay, so, and I feel like with her extension hair, like we tried to put a little bit of contrast in those too, just so it's not all one color. Sometimes people get extensions and they do them solid one color and it looks like a wig, don't you think?
Oh yeah.
Like when it's just like bright yellow and it like looks like Barbie hair.
The dimension really just makes it look so much better and more real.
It makes it like pop, right? So there you have it, folks. It's more of a shadowed root blonde, more of an ashy blonde, but not too ashy because we want it to still be like beachy. But if you have any other questions, the whole entire video is going to be on our education website, www.haircation.com @haircation, and it's our education website, and we go step by step and we show you all the colors we use, the numbers, and everything, how to blend it, and you can go there and check it out. But thanks so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and like it down below. See you next time. Bye.